Ensure the coffee machine is powered off and unplugged for safety. Remove the coffee bean container and pour out the remaining coffee beans inside. Install an empty bean box, activate the grinding function, and grind the remaining coffee beans. Ensure the coffee machine is powered off and unplugged for safety. Turn the grinding box counterclockwise to the unlocking key and remove the grinding box. Remove the grinding wheel of the bean grinder. Use the cleaning brush to remove any leftover coffee grounds from the grinding gears. Use a cleaning brush to clean up the remaining coffee grounds. Use a straw cleaning brush to unclog the grinding pathway. Reinstall the coffee grinding gear onto the grinder. Finally, reset the coffee bean box.